Logs on the table, steam in slow spirals. Grandma's old clock, counting soft miles. Coats on the chairs, shoes by the door. We don't say much, we don't need more. It's all between the notes, in the small unspoken time, in the way your shoulder leans, almost touching mine. Every quiet little breath says what our language won't. Family lives in the spaces, living between the notes. Dad hums a fragment, loses it halfway. Mother folds napkins, smiles, looks away. Someone starts laughing, we don't ask why, just ride the ripple, let the moment glide. It's all between the notes, in the small unspoken time, in the way your shoulder leans, almost touching mine. Every quiet little breath says what our language won't. Family lives in the spaces, living between the notes. All the words we never found drift like dust in evening light. Still your hand rests on my hand, and the room just fits right. Oh, silence turning into song. No one has to try, we just listen to the gap where the years go by. It's all between the notes, porch light on, the night half closed, in the way you pour my tea, like you've always known. Every quiet little breath says what our language won't. Family lives in the spaces, living between the notes. Coat on a hook by the window, ticket stub curled in my hand. Glass hums low as the town rolls backward, quiet like an empty bandstand. Last train softly moving, let the day slide out of view. Lights smear into gentle rivers, all these miles just carrying through. Last train softly moving, nowhere I need to arrive. I ride the rhythm of the evening, just breathing, just here, just alive. Facing the faint blue reflection, shadow stitched over the track. Thoughts drift slow through the dark between houses. I don't chase, I don't look back. Last train softly moving, let the day slide out of view. Lights smear into gentle rivers, all these miles just carrying through. Last train softly moving, nowhere I need to arrive. I ride the rhythm of the evening, just breathing, just here, just alive. No stage tonight, just the table light, folks and stories passing left and right. You laugh off key over chipped white plates, and the day slips loose from its heavy weight. This jazz song holds today, right here with you. No spotlight, just our breathing in this simple groove. I learned the shape of home in every little thing you do. How home can quietly swing, how home can quietly swing like you. Slow Sunday stew on a Friday clock. Somebody's late, but we never watch. Old jokes return with a worn out chair, and the steam from the pot draws us all in there. This jazz song holds today, right here with you. No spotlight, just our breathing in this simple groove. I learned the shape of home in every little thing you do. How home can quietly swing, how home can quietly swing like you. Maybe the world is running too fast, but we've got time folded in our hands, passing the salt, passing the years, counted off softly in smiles and tears. Oh yeah, this jazz song holds today, right here with you. No spotlight, just our breathing in this simple groove. I learned the shape of home in every little thing you do. How home can quietly swing, how home can quietly swing like you. coasting through the air. Curtain crack, that hallway glow, fading like a prayer. This final jazz before sleep, slow room, soft sighs. Today falls up in the corner like a coat, like a quiet disguise. Let it all drift out of reach till the first blue stripe of day. Tonight my heart can rest until morning can wait. Loose notes on the table, names on unsent mail, half-drawn plans in a worn-out notebook. Let them all go pale. This final jazz before sleep, slow room, soft sighs. Today falls up in the corner like a coat, like a quiet disguise. Let it all drift out of reach till the first blue stripe of day. Tonight my heart can rest until morning can wait. Sidewalk in slow motion, coffee still warm in my hand. Storefront glass catching stories. I just follow where I loose time, soft steps, every block a gentle guess. I don't know what's coming next, but it fits this easy breath. Loose time, soft steps, little stumbles, quiet tests. Today's mood in every step, steady heart, open guess. Clouds drift like old secrets. Stoplight blinks, changes its mind. Stranger smiles, then disappears, and I'm fine, just falling behind. Loose time, soft steps, every block a gentle guess. I don't know what's coming next, but it fits this easy breath. Loose time, soft steps, little stumbles, quiet tests. Today's mood in every step, steady heart, oh.